Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to add contacts in Pipedrive. Contacts are essential for building your CRM. So let's get started by following these few steps together. The first step is to go to the contacts module. First, you have to log into Pipedrive, and to do that, just go to your browser and search for pipedrive.com. Now go for the website and enter your account credentials. Once you do that, or you can also log in by your Google accounts. Now once you do that, you'll be directed to your account dashboard like here, like this one right here. And you have to click on contacts in the sidebar from here. From like this. This is the icon for contacts. Like this one. Now the second step is to add a new contact. Click on plus person right here and fill in the details like name. I'm gonna choose something random, but you're gonna have to choose something. You can choose also email, phone, and organization, etc. All the information you want to fill in about this contact or this person right here. And after you finish, make sure to click on save to keep your modifications, because if you don't save them, it will be lost. Now I'm gonna save them. And as you can see, the contacts appeared here. It's this one right here. Now, your contacts is added to Pipedrive. And that's it. Adding contacts in Pipedrive is simple and keeps your database organized. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.